Hello, welcome to 5th generation Nabi Shop. Quick testing lang tayo and quick review. Shoutout kay Sir Jmar Oyano. Sir, welcome to 5th generation Nabi Shop. This is the WA Glock 17 Gen 5 Airsoft Pistol Gas Blowback, made in Taiwan. Comes with free green gas, pop dyno, standard power, and also comes with 0.23 grams 4,000 shots. Ito yung kanyang projectile. Ito yung kanyang propellant. And this is the Glock 17 Gen 5. Comes with owner's manual, 2 back straps, magazine 24+1, 24 rounder, metal mag yan. Yung lock po ng back strap, and the Glock 17 Gen 5. Yan sir, may marking siya dito sa grip WE. Sa slide wala siyang markings. Standard sight. Meron siyang rail for accessories. Rear serrations. Sa front walang serrations. Pag magbabaklas kayo sir, kailangan walang magazine, tapos kasan nyo lang. Then itong disassembly latch kailangan pong ibaba. Naka-push po dapat yung dalawang disassembly dapat naka-push po yan, tapos slide lang. Ayan sir. Lagyan lang natin ng oil. So ito po yung part na to sir, ang nilalagyan po ng lubricant. Ayan po. Tapos pag ibabalik naman sir, yung slide, pasok nyo lang po dito. Sagat po sa dulo, ayan. Para kumalat lang po yung oil. So, lagay tayo ng load tayo ng gas sir. 3 to 5 seconds po. Inverted position po dapat. Lagyan na rin natin ng oil yung valve mo sir. Higpitan ko na rin po. Okay, double stack po siya sir, 24+1. Kailangan alternating po yung bala sir. Kailangan po walang space. Tapos recommended load lang nito sir, at least 15 para yung spring hindi agad lalambot. Yan sir. Tapos pagka gusto nyong ilagay yung back strap, dito lang po. Then meron siyang kasamang lock. Ito extra po itong mahaba. Ito po ang kailangan niyo po. Ayan. So gusto nyo pong ilagay yung back strap. Yan sir. WE Glock 17 Gen 5. This is blowback. So kapag wala na pong bala, maglalak po yan. Mag-i-slide lock. Pero paminsan-minsan po hindi po maglalak pagka malamig yung magazine. So that's normal naman po. And then pag i-insert nyo po yung magazine, kailangan medyo lakasan nyo lang po kasi pagka medyo mahina yan, pwedeng malaglag. Okay, so testing po. Glock 17 Gen 5 by WE Gas Blowback Airsoft Pistol. Okay, accuracy test po. Glock 17 Gen 5 Gas Blowback Airsoft Pistol by WE. Yung sight niya, tutok lang natin. Firing. Okay. Open slide, release mag. Hatak down, release. Hammer down. All goods na po sir. Glock 17 Gen 5 Airsoft Pistol.